Hello, this is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using some Craspire stickers to work on this project, and let's see what I will be making today. I'm making a little square diamond cover for our front door. When we're watching some movies, we want the living room to be dark, and there's light coming from this little window. I do have a privacy screen on it that I got from Dollar Tree, but we wanted to put something on it that's to make it dark. So this piece of wood is about 10.5 by 10.5, and I made a Jenga block frame that we're going to be painting black shortly. But I'm going to be painting this with some white Waverly chalk paint and some pool Waverly chalk paint to make it look like sky. But this is just an inspiration. You can make it this any style to match your decor. I painted the frame of the I don't know how you would call it, as a cover with the Waverly in ink. Like I said, the colors is all your preference depending on your style. The rest of the frame, and I'm not doing much to the actual house itself. I will be adding some more embellishments later. My paint job wasn't so crisp on the edges, so I'm using this rope that I ordered from Amazon. If I find the link, I'll link it down below. And I just wrapped all the inner edges of the frame here with the rope, and it goes with the theme at the end. And now onto the decorating. I traced the house onto the frame itself, so that way I wouldn't, waste my flowers behind the house. And these are some stickers that I got from Craspires. They're floral. I show 4 different packs here, but they actually sent me 5 packs. So they're different styles and colors. So we're going to start just filling up the frame with some beautiful flowers. They're clear borders, so you don't have to worry about the white or black or whatever stickers usually have. But they do have a little shine to them. But once I put the Mod Podge on it, the shine blends in with the backdrop. So I'm just laying them out to see which way I want to add them. And they're pretty easy. You just have to play around with it because they're very thin. And then, but once you get the hang of it, you can easily peel them off and just add them wherever you want. Once I added the house back, it seemed like a lot of empty spaces. So I moved the house again and started adding some more flowers. And like I said, this come in yellow, pinks, purples. So whatever colors you want, you can add them all the same colors or mix and match them. The stickers stick pretty well, but since I'm putting this next to my front door, or on my front door, with the humidity and stuff, I'm adding a layer of Mod Podge to make sure the stickers don't fall off. and we're gonna adhere it to the frame, and then we'll start decorating the rest of it. I'm using the Dollar Tree chalk, not chalk mark, metallic marker here, and I do write this home on here, but at the end you'll see that I did rewrite it because I didn't like it. Plus it was not centered, and my OCD will not leave that alone. So I added some dashes around the edge of the house, and also some dashes around the edge of the frame itself to give it some extra dimension. If you're liking this content, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and comment below what style would you make your little window frame. Do you have something, a window that needs covering up? Will yours be bigger than mine or smaller than mine? Just leave it down below. Here's where I'm adding the dashes to the edge of the frame itself. But like I said, this is all preference, so if you don't want these dashes, just leave it blank. I think it just gives it another layer of whimsy to it. And why stop at the stickers? I had some dried florals that I got from Amazon, so I started adding a few of these here and there, just to give it, like I said, another layer of whimsy. The house looked a little plain, and so I had these little mini fences. So I'm going to be gluing these to the front here, and then behind it I'll be adding some more of the florals, the dried florals, because the stickers wouldn't stick onto this fabric very well. I probably could have used glue, but I didn't try. I wanted to add the dried flowers to match the background as well. Here are some other ways that Craspire shows on their page how to use these stickers. Plus I used mine on my planner to add some color to my pages. So until next time, be brave, be strong, and create something adorable and playful.